That's right. Doing good, Lord. He says there's blue stuff in my way. I can't go forward because of the blue stuff. Now, there's a great little exercise you can do over there with pulling that log. One person can pull the log out here where there's no other horses, and somebody else can follow the log. And have your horse's nose right down there on the edge of that log. Get real curious about it, especially if your horse might be a little unsure about it. There you go. Go back to your left. There, rub and pet on your horse.